Speed up your Python code. Boost your Python speed with these key techniques. Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. I am Ashwara Saxena and in this video I am going to talk about that how you can boost your Python speed with these key techniques which I am going to discuss in this video. So stay tuned till the end. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe and let's start. Number 1. Algorithmic optimization. Improve the algorithm. The most effective way to speed up a program is often to use a better algorithm. A more efficient algorithm can significantly reduce the amount of time a program takes. Number 2. Code level optimization. Use built-in functions and libraries. Python's standard library is very optimized. Use built-in functions and data structures when possible. Avoid using global variables. Accessing global variables is slower than accessing local variables. Number 3. Data structure optimization. Use list comprehensions. List comprehensions are faster than equivalent for loop constructs. Use sets for membership test. If you need to test for membership frequently, sets are more efficient than list. Number 4. Caching. Use caching for functions that are called multiple times with the same arguments. Use caching to save the results for each set of arguments. Python has a built-in function IRU under catch decorator for simple caching. Number 5. Concurrency. Concurrency and parallelism. Use Python's threading or async IO for input-output based tasks and multiprocessing for CPU-bound tasks to run code in parallel. Number 6. Python runtime optimization. Use effective libraries. For numerical tasks, libraries like NumPy or SciPy can be much faster than native Python code. For data manipulation tasks, consider using libraries like Pandas. Number 7. Profiling. Use Python's built-in cProfile module to identify bottlenecks in your code. So I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more such informative videos. See you in the next video.